Now we take a beautiful image for editing. Subtle sense make a big difference. Core features, color, optics, effects. Meet Alba from Valencia, Spain. The follows the old tradition of the fellers where they dress in amazing, intricate, handmade dresses inspired by traditional rice field workers. Now let's improve exposure, color and detail. Okay, now let's do a start tutorial. Image loading. Chapter 1 of 5, crop. I always start by cropping to fine tune the frame. In all honesty, I often see my images with more clarity than at the moment of shooting. Okay, continue. Open the crop panel. Okay, open. Use the crop tool to remove unneeded areas on the top and bottom of the image. Okay, use the crop tool to remove unneeded areas on the top and bottom of the image. Okay, chapter 1 completed. Chapter 2 of 5, light. I placed the model in the shade for the uniform light, which ensured that all of the important details of the dress would be maintained. The even lighting also makes working with the light controls much easier. Okay, continue. Finalize your crop by tapping the check mark. Okay, open the light panel first time. Okay, brighten the overall photo a bit. Okay, increase image contrast to add pop to the skin. Darken the bright tones. Okay, brighten the brightest tones to bring out the dress. Okay, let's lighten the dark tones to reveal great information in the darkest areas of the image. Okay, chapter 2 completed. Chapter 3 of 5, color. This was a delicate step because I wanted to bring up all the amazing colors but be faithful to the delicate tones and not end up with a weird skin tone. Okay, continue. Open the color panel. Okay, since she's in the shade, the image is blue. See the sun in the background. Increase the temp to create a warmer feeling. Okay, same thing here. A bit of magneta warms the image, but be extra careful so it looks real. Chapter 3 completed of 4, effects. A bit of sharpness to make a more crispy image to bring out all the great details and textures. Continue. Open the effects panel. Okay. Accentuate details and add visual snap. Okay. Open the color panel. Okay. Tap to adjust highlights. Chapter 4 completed of 5. Optics. I always use the optics panel to remove the color fringing and distortion, which in this image also creates a more faithful proportion of the woman. Okay, continue. Tap down to close the color grading panel. Okay, color grading panel done. Open the optics panel. Okay, optics panel open. Remove unwanted colors, frings from around object and bright highlights. Okay, apply automatic lens corrections. Okay, before and after, tap and hold to compare edits. Okay, done. Finally completed our image editing and looks beauty. We take another image for editing. Now we see a color correcting a white wedding dress. Core features, color, light, details. Photographing in artificial light can cause unwanted color cast, and what should be white can look yellow or green. For this tutorial, I will color correct this white wedding dress using the light and color panels. Okay, loading image. Image loading. Okay. Some network problem, and that's why networking system is very low. Continuously image loading. It's not a big deal, it's very simple. Okay, next tutorial we will confirm and complete another image. Okay, thank you.